Hi and welcome back to Cooking with Shaun. Today we're going to be cooking honey lemon schnitzel. It's not quite German schnitzel, but it's pretty close. For ingredients, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of flour, half teaspoon of salt, as well as a half teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of butter. It's about 1/4 of a full stick. A 1/4 cup of lemon juice, as well as a 1/4 cup of honey, hence the honey lemon schnitzel. And finally, the main ingredient is the pork. The recipe calls for 4 pork sirloin cutlets. I'm going to go ahead and probably cut these into more, just because they didn't have cutlets, so all they had was butterflied chops, basically sirloin chops. So, but yeah, this is the ingredients. I'm going to cut, and then I'll be right back. And welcome back. I have finished cutting them up into 4-ounce cutlets. The next step you're going to do is get a decent sized bag, resealable, and you're going to add basically all your dry ingredients. So your flour, your salt, and your pepper. Okay? Just go ahead and give this a little shake. Basically, this is going to be for the coating for your pork chops. So, what we're going to do is put in 2 at a time. It's hard to do when you got pork chop juice in your hand. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and shake it up. So they get a nice coating. Okay, now the pork chops have got, decent coating on them. You can go ahead, shake it off in the bag. You can tell it's got a good coating. I'll put that on that bag. Or plate. This is bag, that's plate. And then we got another one. And we'll go ahead and repeat the process. Alright, we have all 4 pieces breaded. So what you're going to do next is, in a decent sized skillet that will fit all 4 at the same time, 12-inch, you want to start getting it heated up nice and good. I'm going to be using a cast iron skillet. You don't have to. I just like using it. Go ahead, get it on medium heat, get it warmed up with a cast iron skillet. You have to get it nice and warm, and then add stuff. What we're going to do is be adding the butter in, and then we're going to slowly place these in so it doesn't splatter everywhere, and that hurts. But what I'm going to do, while that's warming up, I'm going to go ahead and reposition the camera over there, and we'll add these 2 ingredients next. Alright, we're back yet again. So now I got the pan nice and warmed up. It's about medium heat. We're going to go ahead and add the butter. Okay. Almost. Melt. Alright. Now I'm going to actually still use this. I'm going to gently place a pork in. Perfect. Alright, now, per the directions, it says cook for a couple minutes on each side. Flip, and basically you're trying to cook it until, if you want to use a thermometer, I can't remember the exact temperature, but basically you want to see clear juices coming out of the pork chops. I will be right back. Alright, welcome back yet again. The pork chops have been cooked. Doesn't take very long, literally a couple minutes per side. Clear juices were running. So the next part, you're going to keep this going, is you're going to add your lemon juice and your honey. Stir this up just a little bit. Okay. We're going to go ahead and add these in, and we're going to cook them for a little bit longer. Basically going to be having kind of a glaze on it. Get the juices in there too. Alright, I'm going to let this simmer for a little bit, and I will be right back. Alright, I figured I'd give you a little close-up of what they're going to be looking like. And just simmering away. Flip one real quick. And you just basically want to cook them for a couple more minutes. It's basically just doing it until they are thoroughly heated through. Which obviously shouldn't take more than a couple more minutes. Alright, welcome back. I finished cooking up the honey lemon schnitzel. You can eat it with whatever you think goes with honey lemon schnitzel. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed.